Hi guys, this is Shalin Kaushik. Well guys, today in this video I'm going to demonstrate you how we can disabled or enabled Java in Chrome browser on Mac. Well guys, related to that there is one important note. Google Chrome has now dropped the support for NP API, so it means that you no longer find Java plugins if you have version greater than 45. So these are the scenarios, like if you have version greater than 45 or less than 45. So for scenario one, once you have the version greater than equal to 45, then go to Chrome, click on setting, click preferences, select privacy security, go to option site settings, which is inside privacy and security, and then select option JavaScript and make allowed to turn off. Once you make it turn off, it means that you disable the JavaScript, and if you make it turn on, it means JavaScript is enabled in your Chrome browser. So I'll show you. uh, Here I open the Chrome browser. So guys, first this is the preference section uh, through which we can go, and also if not, then you can click on this update Google Chrome, and then there is a setting, and both the options will open the same window. Like I click on setting and this setting pages appear, and if I click on preferences, then again the same window will appear. Okay guys, so once you reach there, then you have to click on privacy and settings, security, sorry. Yeah, so in privacy and security you would see site settings, so you click on that one, and you have number of content settings. So scroll down and navigate till JavaScript, click on that one. So here you see that allowed is turn on, so enable to make it disabled, so you have to turn off that one and close that one. So now your Java is disabled, and if you wanted to make it enabled, then again to the preferences and then privacy and security, site settings, and then JavaScript, and make it turn on, so it means it enabled again. So guys, that's how we can accomplish the scenario 1. And scenario 2. So guys, in this case, if you have Chrome version less than 45, then there is a Java plugin which presents under uh, individual plugins. So you have to reach privacy and security and then go to content setting, which is site setting, but in lower version it is content settings, and then scroll down and you'll see the plugins, and one link is there, disable individual plugins link, so you have to click that one, and then you have to disable the Java, because Java option appears into this disable individual plugins link. So guys, that's how we can disabled or enabled the JavaScript in Chrome version. So thank you so much guys, that's all in this video. Bye bye.